custom 2016 Ford F-150 XL extended cab. Plenty of upgrades, as you can see. Oversized wheels, bed cover, tow hitch trailer package, rear bumper protector, backup cameras, original tires come with it. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Seats 5 passengers comfortably. All weather floor mats throughout. Premium audio, 1800 watt amplifier with sub. Large touchscreen, fully integrated into the climate controls and audio system. Forward facing camera with recorder. Backup camera. Steering wheel controls. Hands-free Bluetooth. Just over 214,000 miles. Come out and see us at AU Cars.